Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be using Ankara fabric to tie this head wrap, so get it ready and let's do it together. Guys, if you have any small Ankara or gele material at home, just get it and let's do this. So look at my hand. I'm going to place it straight like that, then you pleat a bit, just a little bit, depending on the length or how big the material is. I have a very small one, so I pleated small there like that, and I secure it with my rubber band. So look at this as well. You pleat and you press it over like that, then you use your rubber band. If you want to tie this particular style, you need rubber band and pin. There is nothing there, so you do another one like that, just pleat it again, then you fold like I folded the other one. Just fold it and you use your rubber band to wrap it. So this type of gele, we call it rubber band style or rubber band head wrap. So guys, after that I placed it from the back of my head, then I brought it forward. I twisted it round those pleats I made to get it secured. Then the leftover, I'm placing it by the side. Hope you can get. So I'm placing it by the side and I'll tuck it in there as seen, just like that. You can see it's very easy. So the next thing, I'll pick that one, then I'll just bend it, slant it down, and use my pin to secure it. Down. So I just raise it up like that. So the front, we're going to pull it out and pull it out. So at the end, it's going to give us that bow at the front. See, it's very little because we have small material. If you have small material at home, don't say it is too small, I cannot tie it. Who says that? You can tie it. So get it and try this. So you just do the bow. You can see the bow is out already and it's looking good. So guys, we are going to be that place. I just want to add more beauty or touch to it, and I add that to it. And let's see the finished look now. Yeah, here's the finished look. This is what we have, guys. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, follow my page, give this video a like and share. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.